Good day, folks. Evan Taylor Jones here, farmer by day, musician by night, discussing with you corn, all things corn. Let's get into it. To begin, I'd like to give full disclosure because we love to keep it honest on this channel. We find the problems, assess the problems, and find the solutions for the problems. So, I do not recommend growing corn over winter, or translated into what is called short day. Plants, even though it's hot in zone 9B, most of the time, plants recognize when the days are getting shorter. Let's tie this all together. So, most of you have heard of what is called long day and or short day onions. Long day is grown over spring and summer. Short day is grown over fall and winter. Yes? Okay, we understand. So, corn, though it does not carry the label of long day or short day, it is a long day spring and summer plant. So, those of you who often watch my channel and my videos, you understand that I have been experimenting with growing corn over fall and winter, aka short day. Yes, growing corn, a spring and summer long day crop over short day, fall and winter. Now, you'll probably hear me say that a few more times in this video. I continue to go back to it because it's so important. The plants truly react. The corn reacted in the way of it is what is called dwarf or stunted. Look at the height of the corn. Y'all, when corn is grown in spring and summer, long day, like it is supposed to be, it grows to 7, 8, 9, and 10 feet tall. Now, the short day, fall and winter aspect of this is only one reason of the two as to why the corn stalks and even the ears are stunted or dwarf. Another key element as to why the ears and the stalk of the corn are not of typical size is because I planted 3 seeds in each hole, and 2 and 3 stalks came out of each hole, and I decided not to thin them out. This means that 2 and 3 corn stalks in each hole were sharing the same root space. This is an absolute no-no and mistake for most plants, especially corn. Now, corn can be planted in close quarters. It is said to help with the act of pollination. Let's get to some fun facts, shall we? But before we do, look at the beauty and the luscious yellow color and size of these kernels, y'all. Grocery store style is to cut this white tip where my finger is, as well as the bottom. And corn is in the grass family, and it requires a lot of nitrogen, so of course we gave it a ton of fish fertilizer and urea. Though they were stunted, they are still beautiful. You can grow corn anytime, but preferably long day. Thanks for watching, y'all.